N8N LinkedIn. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the N8N website. Once you're on the main page, click Sign In at the top right corner. After signing in, go to the dashboard and click Create Workflow in the top right. Inside the workflow editor, click the plus icon in the center, then select Manually Trigger. Click the plus icon next to the node, then search and select LinkedIn. In the LinkedIn node, under Credentials, click Create New Credential. Choose Standard Authentication Method, then press Connect My Account. A pop-up window will appear, click Allow to authorize. After success, your LinkedIn account will show as connected. Configure the resource field with your target object. Set the operation to the action you want, such as create. Choose who to post as your profile or organization. Fill in the text field with your content. Set media category to article, image, or leave it blank. You can add more optional fields if needed. Go to the Settings tab for LinkedIn Trigger Setup. Check all fields again, and LinkedIn integration is fully active in N8N.